Oh boy, am I excited for this one. Inside this box is something that Btech just sent me, and I may have already owned my very own Btech Gmrs Pro, but inside here is a second Btech Gmrs Pro. Now what makes that so special? Well, this is one of the first and only GMRS radios that can legally text back and forth between each other and call specific radios. Let's go ahead and open this up. The beautiful packaging. I remember it like it was yesterday. As a matter of fact, I even still have my old box. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Btech Gmrs Pro. It specifically only talks on the GMRS frequencies, but it is able to listen to UHF and VHF, the same as any other type of radio that you'd find on Btech, Baofeng, or any other type of radio like that. Opening it up, you can see quite easily that they have the radio, the manual, and the accessories all packaged very neatly. As is tradition, we'll go ahead and run through everything that's in here and we'll check it out. And as is tradition, we always look directly into the user manual, and I'll quickly read it and let you know whether or not I think it is a worthy manual. So now that I've actually skimmed through almost the entire thing, I have to say it is a very well written manual. It doesn't have any poor English in there. I believe it is written by people who natively speak English. And that being said, you could pick up this Btech Gmrs Pro having never used another GMRS radio and know how to use it. Now I will say the one thing about this is even though it is programmable by the front panel, what you're going to want to do, as it even states in here, is go to your cellular device and download the app so that you can actually put in all your frequencies, tones, and anything else that you want to listen to or transmit on. Ye old belt clip, charger and screwdriver, and the radio. And that's it. Now if you notice, I didn't mention a charging base. Well, that is because this radio does not come with contact points. See, this is going fully into the Type-C USB charging style. Now it's time to sit here and program all the channels that I want in here for my hiking and off-roading and anything else that I want, except there's one thing that makes this so much easier. I already have a Btech Gmrs Pro, and if you have one, well, you have as many as you want, at least in the terms of programming wise. You see, I already just programmed this using this. You see, if you simply just go into their menus, as so, and you go all the way down to sync settings, well, this one can be used to send the channels and this one can be used to receive the channels. So if I hit them, well, now this is sending the channels from the programming to this radio right now. Now everything that I have programmed in here is now in here. Well, now for the part that everyone wants to know. What makes these radios so special as compared to your regular analog walkie-talkies? Well, I'll tell you exactly what makes them so special. Watch this. Oh, and then you look over here. I have a message from 593. That's me. If I hit OK, it opens it up. I just got a text message over GMRS. No cell service required. Okay. So, you do want a text message. Well, what if you want to call just one specific person and you don't want to bug literally everybody else? Well, you can contact a singular person who also has a Btech Gmrs Pro. As so. Go to signaling, go to call, and then just type in that number. And there you go. You see that this person, 80BD, which is the stock code, just called me, 593. Well, what if you don't want the person to have to look at their GMRS Pro just to let you know whether or not they're in the area for you to call them? What if you don't even want to know whether or not they can answer? You just want to know whether they're in the area. Well, if that's the case, then all you have to do, once again, is go to signaling, go to check, and then type in the number that you're trying to get a hold of, like so. In this case, I'm trying to get a hold of myself, 593. What it's going to do is send a data transmission to this, notifying that 593 has somebody checking for him, and it will send back something saying, hey, I acknowledge your existence, like so. If I hit OK, and there you go. I got a tone back saying, yes, 593 is in the area. Well, what if you just want to find other Btech Gmrs Pro users? Well, that has it covered as well. Go to signaling and just go to nearby people, and it will do the same exact thing, but it'll tell you that somebody else is nearby. Not to mention, it is complete with GPS. Over the next couple days, I will be trying and reviewing these radios in a little bit more depth, and hopefully I can understand them just a little bit better. I almost forgot. It is always very nice, isn't it?